Okay.
Okay. Hi, everybody. This is Lewisburg Plastic Surgery and Dermatology. I'm Holly, our clinical manager of skincare. This is Trisha, who is going to be our model patient today, and Misty, and we make up the skincare team. So we wanted to do a microneedling treatment, otherwise known as collagen induction therapy, to hopefully dispel some of the myths or take away the fear that people have of needles with this treatment, because it really is not a big scary thing at all. It's comfortable, we numb you so you don't feel any discomfort, and they're teeny tiny little microneedles. And Trisha wanted to have this treatment today because she has some concerns, and her concerns are enlarged pores. And how about I ask you, Trisha, what other concerns do you have?
Upper lip lines, acne scars, and aging around the eye area.
Okay. So she's just starting to see a little bit of laxity underneath the eyes, and some little fine lines, crow's feet, are sneaking up on her. So this is a really nice treatment to give a nice smooth look around the eyes and to smooth out these lip lines. It really helps to improve the texture of the skin, and for those of you that have enlarged pores, this is like a great treatment for enlarged pores. Right now I'm just putting some numbing cream on Trisha so that she'll be comfortable during the procedure. Are you starting to feel it get a little tingly yet?
Mm-hmm.
So with microneedling, we're creating these little micro injuries in the skin that basically, well, let me just say first, the skin pen doesn't remove or damage the epidermis. It doesn't trigger any inflammatory pathway. So infections or scarring or anything like that, that would be very rare. So it's a very safe treatment. That's one reason we like it. And also we see great results with it. But we're causing these little micro injuries in the skin, which causes your body to create collagen. So it helps with collagen and elastin. And one of the things that we really see a lot with this treatment for people who are starting to get a little jowly in here, it really helps to give some lift and more definition to the jawline also. Helps with sun damage. And we've all had the treatment before, and we usually recommend 3 to 6 treatments depending on what your concerns are and what condition your skin is in. We're going to let this numbing cream sit on Trisha for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be ready to get started.